Hey guys, how are you this week? I want to share with you a tip that I use on a lot of my remodeling jobs. I use portable storage containers. This one happens to be from Pods, but you can use any company. Some guys even use those Connex trailers if they're doing longer term projects. But you can rent one of these guys for, it's about 12, 14 feet long, and you can rent them for about 350 bucks for a month. We store furniture in here when we're doing our floors over. We store tools and materials in here. Sometimes if it's raining or snowing out, this becomes our workshop. It's not a bad idea. It's better than a pop-up tent. It's a really good tip. Check out the inside. So here it is. We use this for all kinds of applications. On this particular job, we stored materials in it in the beginning, and later on, towards the end of the job, we had furniture in here while we were doing the hardwood floors over. It's got a translucent ceiling, so you get light in here. It's durable, waterproof, and like I said, you bill it towards a job. It's about 350 bucks for the month, and it actually solves problems for us on the job site. I hope this helps. Have a great week.